Can I ask you a question? Are you feeling sexy these days? Desirable, desired, pretty, beautiful? No? I have the perfect thing for you. My name is Melissa Ichiyuji. Nice to meet you. I'm a figurative artist residing just outside of Washington, D.C. in Virginia, and I teach a class called Guys and Dolls Figurative Sculpture Class. A guise is a veil which covers something's true nature. And in the course of this class, we lift that veil metaphorically to see what's underneath in terms of your thoughts, your feelings, your desires, your fantasies. And we take that secret self and we express it in the form of a three-dimensional sculpture. Now you might be saying, well, I don't make sculpture and I don't even have experience with art. Although many of my students have been seasoned professionals, many more have been complete beginners. And no matter where you're coming from, when you approach my class, you will come out of the experience of knowing something more about yourself and having the joy of having created something out of nothing, essentially. You're in luck. I have a class coming up. It's called Pent Up, Pin Up. And I'm collaborating with American University Museum at the Katzen Art Center in Washington, D.C. This is our very first live class in real time, May 30th and 31st, 10 to 4 Saturday, May 30th, 10 to 4 Sunday, May 31st. We're gonna be all together, live. That's great. You know what's better? I'm sending you the materials personally. No excuses. You don't have to go to the store. You don't have to order anything online. I will personally be handpicking the materials for you. But in order to do that, you've got to register by May 20th. Go to my website, melissaichiyuji.com, and register by May 20th. That way I can get you the materials that you need for the class. Join me. It's going to be a fun, wonderful opportunity to express that sort of more naughty side of yourself, that secret side of yourself, maybe more erotic. You can take it as far as you want. What's wonderful is you're going to be in the privacy of your own home, so you can go anywhere you want with this. So join me May 30th and 31st. Register by May 20th so I can get your materials to you. Go to my website, melissaichiyuji.com. I'm collaborating with American University Museum at the Katzen Art Center, and we couldn't be more happy to be offering this class at this very interesting time, you know, where we're all looking for more ways to connect, more ways to be creative, more ways to be more authentic. So join me for Pent Up, Pin Up. Have a little more fun expressing your feisty side, and I look forward to seeing you then. May 30th and 31st. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.